What is that one?
That's a crocodile.
Where?
Here.
Is that the crocodile's head?
Yeah.
Did you just take his head off?
No.
Oh. What's this? What else do you have? What else did you make?
Okay.
A snake?
Take a picture of that.
I am taking a picture of it. Is that the crocodile head?
Yeah.
What else is there?
His beak tied up in ear.
Oh.
Take a picture there.
Okay. What else do you have?
His wings. There's his wings.
That's his wings?
Yeah.
The crocodile's wings?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you have any other parts?
Yeah. There's his nose.
Oh.
Take a picture of his nose.
There's his nose. Okay. What else?
Okay.
That's a snake?
Take a picture of him.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah? You take a picture.
I took a picture of it. What else do you have?
Okay. Take a picture of his beak.
His beak?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.